everyone, welcome back to my blog. Now I'm gonna try to use this air fryer. This is about like a half of kilo rice, and let's go try it. Ooh. And as you notice, this is French fries, 200 degree, 15 to 22 minutes. So let's set it to 200 and set this for how many? Okay, let's try 10, so we can check it later after 10 minutes. Yan na siya. It look nice, huh? 10 minutes muna, and then after that check natin, and then 12 minutes more. Okay, need daw to shake it halfway, kaya 10 minutes muna. Naka 10 minutes na, nag-bell na siya, so aalisin natin. It's time for shaking. I-shake daw eh. Hot pala siya. You see? Uy, nag-brown na. Oh. Okay. And then we need to put it back. Or I'm gonna set it for another 10 minutes. 10 minutes siya. Yay! It's working. Ayan, malapit na. That's gonna ring the bell. Ikit niya, oh. May umaaligid-aligid na dito. Nag-aantay sa French fries ko. Malaking tao dito sa likod ko. Huh? I hope it's not burned. Let's see. Ito na siya, 20 minutes. Whoa, look at that. Wow. Look at this. Wait lang, ang hirap. Di ko maalam saan ilalapag. Yan, lipat natin siya. Oh! You see? Look at that. Wow. Now, 20 minutes, you have this yumminess and fresh French fries. Yay! I'm so happy for this air fryer. Diba? And then now, I'm gonna cook the next batch. This is half kilo. Sige, ilalagay ko muna siya sa plate kasi nahihirapan ako humawak sa camera. Ayan na, ang finished product ng ating air fryer. Ang saya. 20 minutes, meron ka ng ganito ka-crunchy. You don't need to soak that in oil, anak. Okay, thank you guys. Thanks for watching.